Building Wealth, The Path to Financial Freedom. Chapter 1 Video Number 8. The Debt Trap, How Credit Cards Leave Savings in the Dust. Our parents, the so-called financial models, are not necessarily better off than their young adult children. The attitude we developed about money in our formative years tends to last a lifetime. Many adults are burdened with debt, yet the lack of finance courses in schools means they are unprepared to manage their finances effectively. A recent study found that only half of Americans have more savings than credit card debt, underscoring the prevalence of this problem. Surprisingly, up to 73% of adults assume they will be in debt forever. Credit card debt knows no age limit and affects families of all income brackets. In our consumerist society, the pressure to own the latest gadgets, vehicles, and designer clothes can leave people in debt they can't service. Given the financial hardship and the use of high-interest credit cards, the spiral of debt intensifies. The lack of significant savings leads to constant worry and fear of an uncertain future. In the event of an emergency or unforeseen circumstances, borrowing more is the only option, further exacerbating the debt cycle. This never-ending journey often accompanies subprime lending, leaving individuals paralyzed with fear and unsure of how to manage their financial situation. Surprisingly, the average debt per capita in America, over $240 million, is over $61,554, painting a bleak picture of our financial trajectory. The key is accepting that debt is a reality, mastering the financial system, and finding ways to tip the balance in our favor.